This man see on live.
So who get that video there?
Everybody have the video.
Man say, the telegram disturb me. The man say, the woman say, Bodygood. The man take up Bodygood. Like him take him off the car and go do business, we go grind him again. But a chicken trick him. I can't go kill him. Him did think say man I go fuck him and give him money. And the man just can't go kill him. That's the story that I hear. That is the story that I destiny hear from Offer Tree. It is not what I know I'm telling you about, it's what somebody tell me in Offer Tree.
Yes, my love.
What do you phone, Latina?
No, somebody send me one message, my love. Somebody go check it and come back.
My Instagram is Destiny Sexy Girl. Destiny Sexy Girl is my Instagram.
Good.
You're not deserving. Because you never hear Bodygood and no mix up with nobody. More than talk about Derek and something.
Yeah.
But bad to bad, and not having no differences. You can't always jump up in a Bodygood box.
Yeah, I know that. I know. Girl, to be right now, nobody respect me there. I am shaking. I can't believe. To be honest,
Shut up.
I laid on my bed. I want to get the video.
The video, Buffy?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Somebody sent me the video. I sent them. I said, Jesus Christ, what is this? And I said, this is really Bodygood.
So when I do kill him and they take
You kill him and you must dash him away.
Take him life. I want him torment them. Me say last night, I don't know what it is for the whole night. I couldn't sleep. He coming like a diss me there ear. Bodygood don't even come in like a TikTok friend to me. It no matter what it is, you hear him pick up the phone, tab it.
Really? Retaliation.
I think God.
And then the next thing now me hear them say.
She don't know nothing because she there foreign. She don't know nothing.
I thought me said to should up on the live now. I talk about how Bodygood sell boy story and this and that. I'm going to go on the live.